Hi everyone. So today I'm going to do another Christmas bloom, maybe a little bit different. We're going to see how it goes. It's a 3D Christmas bloom. I'm using a fast cure resin. The resin is by ArtCo, Harry and Wilma. They've got a beautiful fast cure resin, which I love. You'll see some of my work on their site. Another cold day in Melbourne. Gotta make sure these bubbles come out. Okay, so in my red, I've never done this before, but I'm going to give it a go. It's a spiral with a difference. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of, I normally don't do this, but I am going to put some red in the middle. Seeing it's Christmas. It's just around the corner. My little granddaughter gets really excited when all these things come around. So I'm going to try and do a, I'm not sure what those flowers are called, some of those Christmas flowers, Poinsettia or something like that it's pronounced. But I'm going to try and see if I can do it in a spiral. Oops. Now I'm going to come down, 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 maybe go up. It's funny, I've never taken my flowers up before. That's different. So it'd be interesting to see how this chrome powder shows in the petals. Be interesting. And then when this is done, I may do maybe a dark green background or something. Because the bonetta flower, the Christmas flower, some of them have the white in it and the red, and it's actually done in layers, so let's see how we go. See you for the unmolding. Look at that, it's beautiful. Let me get a black background. That is stunning. And I've got the layers also. Gorgeous. Let me bring you down. Oh wow. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous.